I want to see Denny doing it next time we do it. He'll get it. He'll win. Here you go. Butterfly, please. Two side draw closes. Full basic. Quick, slow. Fence line. Toe line. Crab walks. Spot turn to butterfly. Reverse crab walks. Quick, slow. Spot turn to butterfly. One time step across behind. Alamana. Back to butterfly. Full chase, lungy turns. Both turn. Ladies turn. In the back basic. Full basic. Quick, slow. Fence line. Through the serpiente. Fence line. Alamana. To the lariat. Fence line. Through to the serpiente. Step through. Side behind, maybe outside through and fan. Fence line. Full basics. Half basic. And fan. Alamana. To the lariat. Go around, ladies. To cucaracha. Half basic. And fan. Alamana. So make sure we get this. Full basic. Fence lines twice. Full basic. Quick, slow. Fence line. To line, crab walks. Spot turn to butterfly. Reverse crab walks. Spot turn to butterfly. One time step cross behind. Alamana. Back to butterfly. Full chase, lungy turns. Both. Ladies. Full basic. Fence line. Through the serpiente, step through. Side behind, fan behind, side through and fan. Fence line. Alamana. To the lariat. Go around it, ladies. Good. Fence line. Through to the serpiente, step through. Side behind, fan behind, side through and fan. Fence line. Full basics. Two slow side draw closes. Dip, twist, leg crawl. Tell them how much you love rumba. Very good. Very good. Is it making more sense?